Welcome back to another flying video. Hope everything is going well, and well, I must say I did build my new quad. Look at it, it's just brilliant. It is the God mode, sent from Quad Racer FPV. Big shout out to those guys. Those guys only live not very far from where I am, so it's very cool to have supporting local FPV pilots and creators, so I think that's very cool. And I'm gonna do, wait, hold on, just let's look at this juicy thing. Yeah, so as you can see, very nice, very nice. And let's see what I'm running. So I've got the Samguk 2500 I think they're the 2306, and yeah, very excited about those. I've got the EOS-F Magnum stack all in one, and that's about it. And the XM Plus receiver. I've got the GoPro on top, GoPro 3, and I'm almost got my new GoPro, so that's going to be good. That's be GoPro 4 or something. I'm going to do some flying. The alpacas are in the other paddock, so I won't be doing any of that track stuff. I'm going to a different paddock to explore that with this. Alright, so it's actually quite windy out today. Not sure if you can hear me. I'm trying to shelter the wind. There's a little cocoon or something on my microphone. Yeah, so fairly windy. I'm gonna try and do some acrobatic stuff. I'm actually really excited because I haven't done proper acrobatic stuff. I've been looking at a lot of people's videos and trying to figure out how to do some cool flips and tricks. And yeah, we're gonna get flying. So let's start flying now.
I've been on this shit like every day. Rapping with my gang, we don't separate. Forever, you fucking with some heavyweights. We came up from the bottom, watch us levitate. I've been on this shit like every day. Rapping with my gang, we don't separate. Forever, you fucking with some heavyweights. We came up from the bottom, watch us levitate. Levitate, 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 levitate. From the bottom, watch us levitate.
What? Didn't even crash that hard.
What happened?
Look.
What? Is that fixable?
Yeah, I think so. What the hell?
Yeah, no, I saw something.
Alright, so this is just a bit weird. The whole motor bell came off the bloody motor. I don't get what the hell? That's not, I don't think that's supposed to happen that easily. I didn't even crash that hard. And I don't even know how it happened, because it's got a few rings here, and I don't think the rings are supposed to come off that easy. This is just confusing me, because I don't know what in the world happened. There's the little thing that's supposed to go on the outside, I think. Oh, I don't get that. It's just weird. And look though, it pops back onto place fine. Ready? Ready? Boop! Is that satisfying or what? I don't even know. I probably shouldn't fly it anymore, but... Okay, so I got the drone out. I've got one more battery to run. I'm gonna do DVR because the HD footage, it's hard to put a GoPro on this God mode, because I've got one of the long GoPros that stick out like here, it's sitting on like a really skinny point. So the only best way to do it would be with a Session 5 or a Session 4, but I'm probably not going to get it. I've noticed I don't like the GoPro on this as much. I'd much rather put it on a different quad, and I like this better for racing, like zooming around a bit. So I think for the meantime, I also put a C-clip on the bottom of that motor. For now, I think that this is more of a racing quad for zipping around. I'll probably still do acro, just not for video. So yeah, I think it's for more racing because it's very good sticking low to the ground. And I'll use my other one for acro uses. So yeah, let's get into some flying.
I've been on this shit like every day. Rapping with my gang, we don't separate. Forever, you fucking with some heavyweights. Came up from the bottom, watch us levitate. I've been on this shit like every day. Rapping with my gang, we don't separate. Forever, you fucking with some heavyweights. We came up from the bottom, watch us levitate. Levitate, 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 levitate. From the bottom, watch us levitate. We came up from the bottom, watch us levitate. We came up from the bottom, watch us levitate. We savage, keep my face off cameras. Blown from the cabbage, smoking, slanging almond hammers. And my family full of bandits, trying to live so lavish. Do it like gorillas, peel them back like they bananas. Going back and forth like nothing, moving back with all my cousins. Looking back at all the substances we moving, kept it plugging. We never catch your charges though, that shit's ironic. NGOB chatterbox iconic. I've been on this shit like every day. Reppin' with my gang, we don't separate. Forever, you fucking with some heavyweights. You came up from the bottom, watch us levitate. I've been on this shit like every day. Reppin' with my gang, we don't separate. Forever, you fucking with some heavyweights. You came up from the bottom, watch us levitate. Came up from the bottom, yeah. Nobody else was on us, yeah. We tried to do our own thing, trying to build our own team, trying to build our own team, and you ain't even on it yet.
Okay, well, I got a bit confident and I started to fly really low against this bracken, and I dropped into it a bit too much. I was on low battery. Oh, I think the battery unplugged when I did it. Hold on. No, it didn't. Okay, it's over here. I hit it about here, and I tumbled all the way down to here. Wow, look at that. Still intact though. Oh wait. Oh no. I think I'm just gonna do some line of sight line of sight. I really like line of sight though. Go away. Try to get them to go away, so I just fly near them a bit. There they go. Oh, there. Yep. Alright, so they're off. Yeah. Okay, alright. I'll try flip. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.